Welcome to Venice! We're in Venice, guys. Look at this. We're walking to the grocery store and this is our view. Like, oh.
I love walking to the grocery store. It's gorgeous. I love it here. It's so hot though.
Like
everywhere.
Just casual, like walking by the water.
I think it's a boat. Like
there's Casania and Mailey.
Oh,
what? Oh yeah.
AC in the grocery store.
We're ready for AC. Time to get some snacks. Yeah. This is where we're going.
Honestly, guys, this is what you do to keep cool when it's 30 degrees outside. You get from the fountain, you splash water. It dries in 1 second. Oh, my legs already dry. Oh. See ya.
Oh my god, this feels so good.
It's going straight in your bag, bro.
That's okay. Oh,
We're trying to find somewhere to sit so we can eat our snacks we bought at the store this morning. Okay. We're gonna scheme because there's actually like nowhere to sit here. Oh, this is beautiful. She's trying to make dreads. This is step one.
I've always wanted them.
Okay, let's sit here. We found some steps in the shade. It's probably somebody's house, but we're gonna sit here anyway.
It's guest house.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just getting attacked by pigeons.
Leave me.
I'm not even kidding. They're like surrounding us, guys.
No, it's fine. Don't worry.
It's very beautiful so far from what we can see. Every building is so bright, colorful.
It's so bright.
Like, it's gorgeous.
And we're just chilling in this park right here. It's right off the stop. This right there, our boat bus stop. And now we're just like now.
So we are having sushi
Just wait.
in Italy for Amelia's birthday.
They brought me to a Chinese Italian restaurant. A little racist in my opinion.
The best of both worlds.
But it looks really good and I just love Asian food, okay?
That's the name. I'm not even gonna pronounce it. Look
Oh, it's like
at
literally goes
this.
deep.
The fresh seafood. That's fresh seafood. That's what I'm talking about. What?
It looks like.
And as well a beautiful service.
And of course, beautiful service.
It
All
looks
for
like
Amelia's birthday.
I got spaghetti.
Look at that. Then Amelia got
Got spaghetti with cream sauce and bacon.
cream sauce and bacon. Damn. Happy birthday, dear Amelia. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
All right. Good morning. Ciao, Bella. So this morning we're heading to St. Marco Campanile.
St. Mark's Campanile? Sorry.
And La Basilica di San Marco. It's supposed to be beautiful. We're all dressed conservatively, modestly. So we're gonna go check it out, look at the views.
Oh,
Here we are.
this is kind of like
Look how pretty. Okay guys, so we checked out this church. We couldn't really film inside because it wasn't allowed. And now we're gonna climb up the Campanile, the top, and be exposed to the beautiful views of Venice. See.
we're up in the Campanile. Taking some photos. Beautiful view. This is the inside of it. It's really pretty inside too. There's Emma taking selfies. Classic. See the ocean. Boats. There's a pier that we didn't know was there that you can walk all along the water. And there is the Basilica. And there's the palace connected to it.
We found the pier that we saw from the top of the Campanile.
I found the heat also. It's very hot now.
It's very hot, but it's so pretty here. It's like a little kind of market maybe.
Yeah.
Ton of gondolas. Gondola. Okay guys, you want to know one struggle of Venice? Is that Google Maps, honestly. Google Maps will tell you you're in this random part. You don't know where to go.
The alleyways are so small. Google Maps gets confused, and then your dot like goes everywhere. So it says you're in one spot, and then like literally 1 second later, it's like across the island. It's like okay, well, guess we won't be getting where we're supposed to go.
It's like a 7-minute walk, which Google Maps tells you is probably like 20 minutes, 15 to 20.
No, not that long. Like a few extra minutes just for you to figure out like where you are.
And you go in circles sometimes.
Yeah. And they all look the same. So like you can't even kind of distinguish where you are because the buildings all look the same.
There's no
Oh, and see, this is a dead end. Oh, there is a path, guys. There's hidden secret paths. Okay, guys, look at this view. This is the Grand Canal. What bridge is this? What's the bridge called? View. The real view.
What's the bridge called?
Rialto Bridge.
There we go.
There we go. There it is.
And look how nice that this is around 8 p.m. I think it's about maybe 8:10, 8:15 that we're here.
Yeah, the sun is
There's a ton of people, so if you want to come for pictures, honestly, come early.
But also you can just kind of like people will move, like make push them out of the way.
Yeah.
And you'll just wait your turn.
Okay, we're at this restaurant in Campo de Santa Margherita in the square, and we ordered our first Brits. Now Steph's gonna try it. Yeah. All right, y'all. We got some bolognese.
Green pasta.
Emma's got some pizza.
I got some pesto pasta.
Pesto pasta.
I love your accent.
Pesto pasta.
Me Italian.
You like cut
So hot. You probably can tell I'm like sweating. My face looks like I have like a highlighter and everything on it. I went swimming, but just my sweat. We're leaving.
Okay.
Thankfully, the beach. So, ciao for the sweaty girls.